Hey y'all, so this is my natural hair, just showing you guys what I got going on. So the front top is straightened out and then the bottom half is all curly. That's my natural curls. So I'm basically just gonna braid the back of my head. And this takes me literally less than like 5 minutes. If you guys also want to see how I braid, let me know in the comments and I can do a separate video on that. Tie it up, securing the ends, right, and then there's the braid. So after you got your braid, now I'm just looking for the extensions. Boom, grab your extensions. These are clip-ins. They're so easy to put on. You literally clip them onto your knot. This is a 2-weft clip-in, so that means there's 2 clips to this extension. You can have, I believe, up to like 4. So this is gonna go on the very bottom and literally over the braid. So I'm just clipping this like so, and it doesn't move. It's literally very secure. You can see I'm pulling on it. It's so easy, bro. So easy to do. And I'm literally just gonna keep on. This is another 2-weft clip-in. I'm literally gonna keep on layering them, and you will see. So boom, I put on another 2-clip extension right on top of that one, and you can see you can't even really see the braid. So, and it's secured. Don't move. This is another one, another 2-clip right on top of there. And I'll leave in a description of the extensions, what kind they are, how long, the color, what kind they are. I'll leave that all in the description. So now I'm grabbing another 2-piece. I think I have 2 more 2-pieces. Yep, and they go right there. So instead of putting them in the middle, I'm gonna change them now to the side. So I'll put one on the right side, and then I'm gonna put one more closer to the left side. Okay, now I'm finally grabbing the 4 and putting this right over all the 2 clip-ins. And you can see it's coming together already. And don't mind me there, I'm just noticing that big ass hitchy. Another 4-piece clip-in. And this is my last one. This is gonna go right on top. Comb them bitches out. Bam! Y'all see that? Y'all see it? That was so easy, bro. Alright, so now I'm taking out the top of my natural hair. And I just left there real quick. I'm back! Okay, so the rest of my hair. This is the top. And you can see how it blends in already. but I'm gonna actually add in a couple more pieces to get it to blend in a little even better, because you can still see my ear pretty much. You see there's like a little space in between. I'm just like, what the hell? I keep touching it and trying to fix it, but it's like, girl, you gotta add in another one. I'm also talking to my brother here. Yeah, I'm getting distracted. Okay, focus. Focus. Alright, so finally I grab in my one piece left. Clip in. Boom! I think I added another one. And again, don't mind me. I'm just talking. I'm just chatting. And boom, another one. And y'all see how, like, how better that is. Look at that. Look at that. And obviously, I still need to straighten and curl it a little bit more, especially my natural hair, more with the ends. But I just wanted to show you guys basically how I literally install them. And I wanted you guys to see how easy it is to use clip-ins. You don't even have to braid the way I did. You can, you know, braid other ways too or whatever, you know. But you're literally just clipping it to your natural hair. It's not damaging. You know, your hair is protected in that braid, you know. So y'all see it. Very blended in. Doesn't move or come out. Thank you for watching.